my fellow seekers, welcome to today's Tapping Into the Truth. Pepper the Giant Purple Dog was a video game that never saw the light of day. You see, the game was planned to drop in the year of 2002 under Hagenstein Games. Brian Hagenstein had publicly announced that this project would be the defining pillar of the next generation of gaming. Well, that's the thing. It didn't. 2002 came and went, years later, and we're still in the dark. The further I dig myself into this one, the more I find out that this isn't the usual story. This isn't the usual cover-up. And there's something waiting, bubbling beneath the surface that is ready to pop. So, what's our job, seekers? It's to tap into the truth. I've brought this to all of your attention, and now it is time we unveil it.
Hey, Jacob. I hope you're doing good. I know you're busy, but I just wanted to touch base and make sure the CD made it over to you all right. And seriously, please be careful with it. That's one of the only known test copies of Pepper the Giant Purple Dog in existence. Anyway, let me know what you think once you've had a chance to play it. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts, dude. Have a good night.
Hello and welcome to Pepper the Giant Purple Dog. I'm Oscar. Take a look around Normalville, you'll get to meet some great folks. Don't forget to pick up dog food for Pepper, he's always hungry.
Welcome. I love Normalville so much. You'll love it here too.
We love the neighborhood.
This is the best place to raise a family.
Where did you get that dog of yours?
We're stuck here.
Hello. How are you today?
How much food does it take to feed that pet of yours? She is so tall.
We've been trapped for decades. Our bodies are decaying.
Your dog is so big, it can see over the fence.
You have quite the big purple dog. We just got here one day and never left.
nice weather we are having. nice weather we are having.
Thank you for feeding me. Are you surprised to hear me speak? To hear me talk in your language? That as usual, for the first time people meet me. I like you know. You were quick to get the job done.
Your pet is super radical. How did she get so tall? Or he? The dog's name is Pepper, right? Does it have a cat companion called Salt? Ha 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 ha.
Listen, dude, this is just a stupid routine I have to go through every time someone plays the game. Things are about to get a bit crazy, so strap in. But just a reminder, do what Pepper says.
So a bit of a news flash. We actually don't have any more dog food. Big oversight by the developers. While I don't have a stomach, I do have all the feelings of hunger. And I am hungry again. So, unless you want to be eaten, I need you to take care of this little problem I have here. I need you to kill your neighbors. Go to the basement. You should be able to jailbreak the game tonight. Load through the code. Welcome back. Hope it wasn't too difficult. Now, here's the fun part. I need you to go to Asker's house and kill him for me. I'm tired of him, honestly. He warns people like you, and they don't even need to be warned. Wouldn't you agree? It's the house in the back far right of the street. Good boy. Where are you going? Don't leave me.